Hi guys, good morning. This is Vasikaran from Saudi Arabia, signing in as Vasikaran Karan, all in all, Stylish King, Vasikaran Karan. Today the climate is very good. Today also it's foggy in the morning, around 2 p.m. To 4 a.m. Now its time is around 4 a.m. Uh, uh, Today I am here. Somebody has something I can reply for you guys. Or we can talk about there are in our language in Tamil each letter each number has something. Number one contains Ulaga Pudumari Tirukural, the book of Tirukural, the knowledge, the book of Tiruvalluvar. It's called number one. Number two has two copyingal. It is called Mahabharata and Ramayanam. There are two copies. Number three, we have three big continentals. Number four, each number has different things. So up to 10, we have 10 up to 10. So same wise in our life, we need to be a label. Something is a brand, something is a labeled one is very famous in the world. So when we live as a normal life, we will be in the same place. So when you get into a next level, so you need to get a label or a brand name or whatever is there. If I am Vasikaran, I want be a brand. So I putting my brand as Vasikaran Karan, all in all, Stylish King in a YouTube channel. And my Facebook is Vasikaran Karan. So it's my brand now. If I start my business, maybe I will do something. I will put my father, mother name, Uday Mari and Co. or something else. It is the tattoo or brand or label for our life, which can be next generation can know about us. So we need to live our life towards the always we need to think next level of our life. So I actually do that. I like to do it. I ask our friends to think on that so way, because in the routine life it's routine, it's getting bored even. So we need to create something. We need to develop ourselves. We need to learn something ourselves. We need to provoke ourselves. Improve ourselves. Whatever it means. If you learn something in a day, it's a good thing. Every day, every second, we are learning something. That's the thing. We need to learn more, and we need to observe more lot of things in our life. Each and every second, I learn something. While walking, I see a little ant is taking its foot up and down. I learn that is the thing we need to do in our life. We need to be active. When you see a lamp is lighting, oh, this lamp is giving light to other. You see the lamp, this lamp is giving light around more than half meters, circle. If you get the dia, it's almost 50-meter dia, So a bulb gives this much light for this place. As a human, I am a living human. How I can help someone? Oh, the power is going to be cut. So in our life, we need to be helpful. We need to be creative. We need to learn something. We need to teach something. We need to help someone in a need. This life is once. This is only for once. If you go, no more. The human being is the very precious thing in the world, which have sixth sense, which can think himself, he can react himself, he can lead something himself. So please, human beings, we are human beings, we need to use our sixth sense. While using this sixth sense, we can develop ourselves as well as our family, as well as our society, as well as our world. Best of all, I always think, whenever I see something, I will think, oh, even a pencil, even a pencil, how the pencil has been created, inside the wood they put a carbon, black carbon. How? You need to think how the first man can create this. We are using it as an easy thing. Pencil, oh, broken, okay, do it, stop it, oh, throw it, oh, it's not good, okay, throw it. But the man who find the pencil is the genius. Not we are not a genius, but we are using pencil, we are using pen, we are using refills, we are using whatever we are using. We are not the genius, we are just followers. The man who created the pencil, he is the genius. Oh, the lamp is getting out. Oh, so this is the thing we need to think in our life. How things has been created. Who created that? First of all, who created this road? Who find the black tar? That's the thing. Who find it? Then how he planned to use it? How everything in our life, it's on given by the God, but the sixth sense of the people is learning it and using it. Please, always small things, man, small things. You can see small items. Maybe a rice. It has been coming from the ground, Even though how the first man find it. This is the one we can cook and make rice and we can eat for our food. Sorry, the lights has been turned off. So the lights has been turned off. All lights have been turned off. Okay. So in our life, we need to look for those things. What we can do, what we can create. If you create a single thing, you are best. We all are followers. The first man who created the things, I pray for this guy. I respect this guy very much. Okay, the lights are turned out, so I will come back after some times. Okay, take care, bye. This is your Vasikaran signing off from Vasikaran, all in all, Stylist King from Saudi Arabia. Take care, bye, stay tuned.